guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon sa lahat lang nandyan. And now, my vlogs is all about my outfit. Yes, this outfit guys, I bought in Philippines. It's okay only guys. It's only, in my money is only 20 pesos. So, in my Malaysian money is 2 ringgit. So, see? Did you see this? Sinsya na sa kalat. Yan. Model natin guys. Kunwari, sa si Marian. Marian Di Magba. Yes. Nice. Medyo tumaba na ako guys. Little bit chubby. Ang mga kubal, huwag ipakita. Yeah. That's my outfit for the day, and thank you very much for watching me once again. It's Lovely Rita Chanli TV, Lovely Rita Chanli, and Lovely Rita the Fashion, Lovely Rita the XXX the Extreme. Thank you for following me, for those my solid supporters, and always like my posts and like my vlogs. I really appreciate all your coming here, guys. Thank you. Yes. Have a nice day. Salamat po sa mga nanonood sa akin. Pasensya na po kasi I'm always busy because of my boss is here in the house, so I don't have time to make a watch to watch or comment by comment. Yes guys, I can only heart and I can reply if ever I'm here in my room because the mobile guys is not allowed outside. So that's the situation guys. My cell phone also is quarantined always in the house since before guys, when starting my YouTube is like that guys, but I'm keep on patient. I'm just trying my best. Every time that I'm sitting down, every time that I'm eating, I'm trying to update my channel. And if my madam is not here or my employer is not here, I upload one time like 20 videos in the boy room guys, but so far now I cannot go there because they are there always, so that's why. Thank you, that's all. I hope you understand those all my subscribers and followers also na kapwa ko YouTubers. Pasensya na talaga mga langga kasi yung sitwasyon ko, isang phone ko lang langga ang aking ginagamit kasi sira na yung isa kong phone, kaya bihira na po ako mamamasyal sa inyo. Kung talagang nagkataon na free ako, yan, nakakadalaw ako sa inyo, it means free ako that time, but more or less I'm not free because of my situation. Yes, thank you, I hope you understand. God bless. That's all.